Doy inicio a la actividad número 5 de inglés 2. Mi nombre es Sandra Liliana Lozano Franco, código 40043-599. Very true, serving cash or marriage. My presentation. My name is Sandra Liliana Lozano Franco. I'm a descendant of Tunja, environmental engineering program with the goal of inclusion to finish this which that has been with a lot of sacrifice. Travel to Tame Arauca. The opportunity to have to know the Spooner region where you can observe its wonders of black landscapes surrounded by a lot of fauna and water. The climate in this region entails zero in hot and water. You can enjoy bathing in these waters, enjoy the accompaniment of a rich lunch. The person you want to have to know this region is recommended that you wear fresh clothes and protection against mosquitoes and nosue. For have the bathing suit.